Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are making a classic South Indian sweet dish, egg burfi. It's a unique and delicious treat that's perfect for festivals and special occasions. So let's get started. Into a blender, add around 20 soaked almonds with some milk and blend it. Then into the same blender, add some khova. Blend it till it becomes really smooth and add it to a pan with some ghee. Mix it really well. Once everything is well combined, add some sugar. Here I've added raw sugar. Mix it. Then add around 6 room temperature eggs. Add one by one. Whisk it really well until it is well incorporated. Once you're done mixing all the 6 eggs, transfer that onto a low to medium flame and whisk it continuously till it becomes thick. Then into that add some saffron strands and some cardamom powder. Mix it. Once it reaches this thick consistency, transfer that into a greased cake tin. Add some chopped nuts on top, then some melted ghee. Then transfer this into a 180-degree preheated oven and bake for around 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Then allow it to cool down completely. Then slowly demold it. Once the egg burfi is set, cut it into desired shape and size. You can garnish it with chopped nuts or dried fruits. Serve it and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you try this recipe, be sure to share your feedback and photos with us. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more such recipes. See you on my next video.